Sometimes in a project, I want to use something like a database proper, like Access or SQL, but we are limited to using Excel. And so I wanted to have like a list of, say, events for a fundraiser, but be able to say like how many seats would automatically expand on another sheet. So that in basically automatically building rows for me. So I'm using the indirect function. So the example I'm showing you here is these are rows that are built by the indirect function. There's indirect based on the data. So this is the actual function using indirect. So the raw data is here, basically just a bunch of events, and all I'm putting in is how many seats available for each of these events. Like barbecue at my place, 6 seats. So this range has got a name. I can insert more rows if I want to. And if I change the quantity of seats, automatically when I look at this list, it says there's only 3 seats. So I can then put in who bought those seats. So the amount of rows is generated based on the quantity in the other sheet using the indirect function. Prove to you that it works. If I say change these all to 6 or 6, 5, 4, 3, you'll see on this sheet you have 6 rows for this, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. So as you add new events, so a new event, you'd insert it on the bottom, so you push that row down. So you just right click, insert. And so in event number 5, it's an item, or it could be an event. And Paul, test, and I'm going to say he's like, say 4 seats. So you'll see Paul now shows down the bottom with the event title test with 4 seats. So once I actually have all the seats available and it's final, all the bids, all the donations are done, then I just copy this data, Control C, paste it on top of itself as values. That's freezing it. Just paste as values so that nothing will change. And then I can add the buyer's name so the row integrity is remaining. So anyway, you might find it useful. It's an indirect function.